friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw the Demogorgon from Brawl Stars times Stranger Things, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first we're going to get started with the mouth right in the center, and we're going to draw in a nice big circle. For the tooth in the middle, we're going to curve two lines that join at a point in the center. And then we're going to do the same thing directly on the bottom, pointing up. Let's come across beside that now. We're just going to replicate that. And then we're going to come across on a diagonal, replicating that as well. Let's move over on the left-hand side, replicating that. And then we'll come through on a diagonal on the bottom. Let's drop down beside that again, two curved lines joining at a point in the middle, moving across on a diagonal, closing that off. And then one last time, we're just going to replicate that, coming over on both sides. Let's add in some detailed lines now. So on the top, we're going to curve this line around and down. We're going to leave a small gap, arching this around, back in. And then we're going to do the same as we flip across on the left-hand side as well. Now let's move underneath, arching this line over. Let's continue to close off the rest of the mouth now. So starting on the top here, we're going to curve this line out, in and through towards the top. And then from that point, we're going to bring this line down, out, and back in. Now, from that corner, we're going to curve this line up, down, and out towards the top corner of our page. We're going to do this on both sides. And then now from here, from that corner, we're just going to arch this all the way around and then in on the side. Let's start down from this corner again, curving this up, in, and out towards the side. And then again from this corner, we're just going to curve this around and then up towards the center. Now let's move in. We're going to replicate that pattern on the outside. So stepping in, just following that through. We'll do the same from the top, following that around on the right. Let's come over on this right-hand side, following that shape again. And then again from that point, just curving this back around and in on the side. Let's move down again, following that pattern on the left and right-hand corner. And then again from that point, we're just going to follow this through, curving that around and then back up. Now let's draw on the teeth. So we're just going to draw in a small sesame seed shape right on the top here. We're going to come around and do that on the top of each one. And they're always just going to be, the point is always just going to be pointing down in towards the middle. We're going to do the same as we come across on a diagonal now. So on the left-hand side, and now let's come across on the right. So on the right-hand side, again, just drawing in another sesame seed shape. Let's move down and draw on the arms now. So on both sides from the middle here, we're going to curve this line out. We're going to move down on this arm and we're going to again curve this over and through towards the side. Let's step underneath. We're going to curve this line around and out. Let's start with our thumb. We're going to come down, curving this around and out. And then from that point, arching this around and down, connecting that to the first finger. Again, from that point, we're just going to bring this around and through towards the top. Let's step down, curving this out, and then back around and in. And then again, coming down, curving this out and around, extending that line through, closing off the top of the hand. And then now we're just going to close off the claws. So we're going to curve this line across on the thumbs. And then we're going to come across and do that on each finger. We'll do the same on the left-hand side as well. Now let's close off the body. So on the side, we're going to, for the torso, curve that line in. We're going to leave a small gap. We're going to bend the knee here now. So we're going to curve this around and down. We're going to replicate that on the right-hand side as well. And then now on both sides, we're just going to draw in a straight line coming up towards the top. Now in the middle of the torso, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down. And then on both sides, we're just going to curve this line out. Let's move down again in the center, making this one smaller. And then again, just curving that over and across on both sides. And then moving down again, making this even smaller, just replicating that pattern. Let's move down in towards the middle, closing off the bottom of the torso, arching that through. On both sides again, just curving this line out. And then we're just going to arch this down towards the bottom. Now from here to close off the foot, we're going to curve this line out. We're going to curve this line back in for the claw. Again, moving across, bringing that line out, arching that back in. And then again, one more time, bringing that out. And then just curving this around and down on the top. Now, like we did for the hands, we're just going to draw in some claws. So we're going to curve this over. And that is it. That's how you draw the Demogorgon. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.